Hey guys, this is Phon-Er Gold. This is vlog 72. I'm on my way to fix an iPhone 6s White. It's for a previous customer, Victoria from Silverlake. But in the meantime, I'm going to stop by for a second and get some coffee because I need my boost to balance my day. Or maybe I just go straight in and come back and get coffee. It all depends on the parking and if the line is big. If not, then I'm just gonna go right now and get it. But we'll see right now. I just pulled up to Coffee Bean. Right now if there's parking. Yes, there's parking, so we're gonna stop right now and get it. I told the customer I'll be there like 10 minutes late because I really need my coffee badly. We have a lot of fancy cars here. We have an i8, we have other goodies too. Wow, I totally forgot to get my burner. Guys, and we are here. Car. So here are the cool cars today. We have the i8, we have the Porsche, we have the Range, we have me. As you guys can see. Hey guys, we just left Coffee Bean, the beautiful coffee that we just got. So now we're driving to Silverlake to fix the iPhone 6s White. Coming with us, so stay tuned for some cool action coming your way. And a cute little doggy that she has. It's too adorable. As our previous customer has seen that before, so it's cool. Alright, see you soon. Stay put, and I'll be back in a second. Peace. Cut. Hey guys, we just got here in Silverlake Mountains. It's pretty cool here. It's all nature. Awesome place. Awesome. In by Aura. We're gonna get her 6S white screen. Ready to bounce. Let's do this. This. Okay guys, we're on our way. Guys, so we'll see you soon. Peace.
Apollo 69.